Hello everyone and welcome. In this video we are going to create an animation on the microbit that responds to movement. So the first thing that we have to do is open up a search engine, whatever your preferred search engine is, and we are going to have to go to the website that we're going to program this in, which is makecode.com. So if you type in makecode.com along the top search bar, that will take you to the website that we need to use. So go ahead, go to makecode.com. Once you're here, you can go through all the different platforms if you wish, but for today we're just going to focus on the far left hand side where you see the picture of the microbit in the magenta color there, or pinkish tone. If you click on that, that'll open up what we are going to program today. So when you're in here, you'll see a whole bunch of tutorials and things like that that you could use, but for today we're just concerned with the new project with the purple edition plus sign. So we're going to go ahead on the far left and click the new project icon on the far left. And this time you can type in whatever you want it to be. We might just call this animation. And once you've typed that in, then hit the green create button. So this will open up to the primary page of where we're going to do all of our coding. And we have other videos in the past that will walk through like what the microbit is and things like that. But for today, we are just going to focus on the code. So what we need to do first is delete the two code blocks that are here on like the code editing window. So to do that, click and drag your on start block. And let's click and drag that over top of the drawers and let that garbage icon appear. And you can do the same thing to the forever block, or you could also delete by two-finger tapping if you're on like a trackpad, or right-clicking, and then you can go down until you see delete block. So that'll clear your screen. Now in our task today, we want to make an animation appear that like detects movement. So we are going to click on the magenta colored input block. And once you do that, you'll see the second one from the top is the on shake block. That means do something when the microbit is being feels or recognizes a shake option. So we're going to click and drag the on shake block into the code editing window. I'm going to make this a little larger just so it's easy to see. So basically when we shake the microbit, something's going to happen. And at this point in time for our students, we want them to know efficiency with code. And we want them to basically know how would you repeat something, and repeat really in code is code for loop. So we're going to click on the green loops drawer, and then at the very top you'll see the repeat 4 times do block. Simply take this and snap it inside of the on shake block, because these are puzzle pieces that fit together to tell the story. Now all we're going to do is do a simple animation, so maybe something that would move or pulse. So we're going to click on our blue basic drawer at the top, and you're going to scroll down 3 until you see the show icon heart button, and you're going to take that and snap it inside. Now we are not going to use the heart, so what we're going to do is right next to the heart you will see that there is a little drop down arrow. If you click that drop down arrow, we're going to scroll down and we're just going to use the small square. And all we're going to do to finish our code is click on the blue basic drawer one more time, go down to show icon yet again. And this time, instead of the large heart, we're going to change it to the large square. So now, like when we go and on the simulator, you'll see that a white shake button has been added along the top. If you click this white shake button, you should see it repeat however many times you've told it to repeat. So if you wanted students to remix or debug their code, you can change the amount of times this animation appears by simply changing that like number value inside, and now it'll repeat however many times you want it to. We hope this video is helpful. Let us know if you have any comments or questions.